2022 Hyundai Santa Fe. With less than 17,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, heads-up display, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.